Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, verify the grapple unit is powered, tether and safety clip intact, and the harness snug. Identify a solid anchor point rated above twice the expected load and clear a 3-meter swing arc. Make sure the spotter is in position and radios are paired. Clip into the tether, perform a quick pull test, and aim the grapple toward the anchor while keeping your feet grounded. Once locked, confirm the anchor beep and take a short step to tension the line before committing to movement. You now control the approach. Fire the grapple and hold the control to monitor tether angle and anchor tension. Move deliberately. Use short swings to build momentum in 2 to 3 increments instead of one long lunge. This reduces shock on the anchor. Keep knees bent and transfer about 60 to 70% of your weight to your legs as you traverse and steer with subtle hip motions. If attaching to a vehicle or stretcher, secure secondary straps before lifting and double-check knots, and you finish by locking the load and stabilizing the patient or asset with straps and clear verbal commands. Make sure the spotter confirms stability. Begin extraction with a slow, controlled lift and keep the descent speed between 0.5 and 1 meter per second when lowering. Maintain eye contact with the spotter and use hand signals if radios fail. If anything feels unstable, tether creep, odd noise, or anchor shift, stop immediately. Transfer load to a backup carabiner, re-anchor, and only then continue. Practice the recovery drill.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.